Respect family. This your boy Jetty, carpet cleaning training with Jetty. Yo, thanks for coming back. Look, what we got dealing with right now, purple paint. In some instances, you can clean it out, but this is very thick carpet, and basically the lady, she was painting her room. She went on the ladder. She came down off the ladder thinking everything would be okay. And even though she had her walls and had her floor covered, the pan with the paint and the rolling brush of the purple paint fell off the ladder and hit the floor. You know what I'm saying? So what I gotta do is simply come. We're gonna cut out a perfect rectangle, okay? Using my tools. Cut it out, stretch it out, tuck it back in. You're gonna see me put seaming tape underneath to overlap the carpets. And then at the end, I'm gonna use a heat treatment, just a simple iron, to actually hold the two pieces of carpet together. All right? So thanks for coming back. Watch and learn. Some things you gotta leave to the professionals. You could call us if you're here in Orlando area, all right? But we're gonna come out and take care of any of these problems, man. You don't need to be messing with knives. You don't need to be messing with tools, okay? Leave that to the professionals. You see, that's the perfect cutout that I want right there. So we're gonna cut that out and get us a perfect piece to put back in the area. That's the piece right there. We're just measuring it on top to make sure it will fit evenly in. Okay? Respect, man. Hey, guys, subscribe, man. You see I ain't got that much subscribers, but guess what? This is to help promote. Okay? Subscribe to the channel. Hey, and if you find any value, please share it. Okay? So don't be a bummer, be a stunner. The #1 OG is talking to you. That's me. Dreddy. We out. Holla.